Inday Kapgab, you said.
Diba nasa rin, batang vlogger. Ang mga kasama ko, Inday Kapkap.
Hi, Ate Kapkap subscribers or fans.
King Astor and the rest. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. At syempre, shout out kay Ma'am Ellen Chua.
Please support her at subscribe to her channel para daghan kayo subscribers or fans dahil para kukulab.
Yes.
Og ikaw po, day. Kunin mo channel, day.
Subscribe sa aking channel dahil ha.
Ang sa imong channel?
Giovanna Saria.
Yeah, how do you spell it?
Javannah and for Saria Sarria.
Yes. Please shout out to your father.
And shout out to John Christian, my father.
And Lola also.
And I have many Lolas, you know.
Lola in America.
Oh, and my grandmother in
USA.
and
syempre,
in America
Ma'am
or
Andres Gourmet in the
as A.
Yes.
Shout out to Mami Joy, GPR Orange
one of the
14.
Philippines.
Okay. Shout out also your mom.
Gourmet to
And shout out to Guda Babuslay, my mother.
Okay,
Yeah.
you introduce your mom. You introduce your mom.
Introduce your mom. This is my mom.
This is my sexy mother.
Sexy mother. My God, bongga ka, day. How about you, day? You are 60 so, day.
Nagagam. So I decided my mom and
kay Ate Jolie.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na
My mom and
sa akin at saka nag-subscribe.
you have secret. Oh my God. Tell us your secrets.
so my mom and Juba, so I decided my mom and Juba to make your tissue channel. What do you say?
Shout out po.
Ay, really?
Yeah.
You will give me a t-shirt of your channel?
Yeah, also some of
Between Honda and Isuzu
that's a
cars.
giveaway.
Oh, thank you. We have a sponsor today. No other than Giovanna Saria.
Also Ate Charing.
Also, Teacher Ring, you will give us t-shirt. Thank you so much, darling. Thank you for being so cute and adorable.
Marinula, pag sila mo ng pera.
Okay, pause.
At yan si Ate
Aywa.
Jolie, diba?
Another one.
Talagang yayaman kapag
Okay, our future Miss Universe. Okay, another one.
magsikap ka.
Another one, like this. You know it, you can do it. You are really a clever. Oh, look, God. The cute case or die, grabe die.
Kapag sige post dyan.
Humana na, oy, kapag sig post die, yun siya.
Wala ko dahil.
Gabi ka cute, uy, cuteness overload yun. Grabe. So clever nga bata.